So my first DIY is a simple 2-ingredient carpet deodorizer. It works so well, especially in this climate. Using essential oil, especially like tea tree oil, really helps do antibacterial effects to it, so it'll be so good. So I use 1 cup of baking soda, and I pour it in a mason jar to help keep the freshness of the essential oils in the container and in the powder. And then I add about 20 to 30 drops of my favorite oils. I use the peppermint and lemon. And here I am grabbing my baking soda packaging, and I'm gonna cut out that thick cloth that they're now putting into baking soda packagings these days, and that's very helpful to kind of keep the scent inside of the container and not outside of the container when you're storing it before using or in between usage. So I'm just cutting around the edges, and I'm getting the top of the mason jar, and I'm making a circle around it in order to get perfect dimensions. And here I am grabbing a hole cutter, and I know most people might not have this around their home, and it's very cheap to get if you did want to get it, but you can always use a scissor, knife, you can get some drills, figure it out. Or you can just get a salt and pepper shaker if you don't want to do this DIY part. And then you put the little cloth around the opening part, and that's how it looks like on the front. And now you're ready to use it. Here is one of my favorite DIYs. It's so simple. You don't need nothing but a wax warmer, and I'm just wiping out my previous scent. And see how easy it is to clean. Here's the trick, and you've probably seen this, you probably haven't. You get the bottom of your favorite candle scent. You know I love a good Bath & Body candle. This is the berry waffle cone, which is amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend. And you just cut it into 4 parts, and you separate it, and it just pops off like a dream. It's so clean and easy to do. And I scrape the bottom parts off so I can reuse that container for something else. And here I am melting my pieces, and it melts in within like 10 minutes. Here's the next one. The basics still works. Y'all, everybody and your mama and your grandma told you to get an essential oil diffuser. How about you go get you one, because it really does work. It makes your house smell good. Promise you. And my last one is sunshine on a cloudy day, y'all. When I tell y'all, I put 2 and 2 together. I said felt helps with diffusing, especially when you get a lot of car diffusers. So why not use that same material and make my own felt diffuser situation? So I realized that fake sunflowers in the center is really spiky, and that'll be a really good adhesive. And that and felt blends like a dream. It's like holds it really tight and firm there. And there you go. It looks like a sunflower. And you can decorate it how you want to. You drop your essential oils on top. I recommend adding more than what I put in the video and to get the best results. And you can store anything in those jars, y'all. You can put your toothpickers. You can put it in the closet, which I highly recommend putting this in small rooms. But yes, I use it in my closet. And here is a bonus DIY, y'all. You know those wallflowers that y'all got on y'all walls, those glade, whatever. Yep, those. Grab it, dip your essential oil onto the wick, add about 5 to 10 drops, more the merrier. Put it in your dresser drawer. Thank me later. Thank you all. See you in the next video. Peace.